I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change Apple CarPlay Wallpaper. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Apple CarPlay screen using your vehicle's touchscreen or dial controls. Step 2. Tap Wallpaper from the list of options. Step 3. Scroll through the available design choices and tap on the wallpaper style you want to use. Step 4. You will see a full screen preview of how the new background will look on your dashboard. If you like it, tap Set to save your changes, or tap Cancel to go back and look at other options. As a helpful tip, many of the available CarPlay wallpapers feature a dynamic look that automatically shifts appearance depending on whether your car is in light mode or dark mode. If you prefer to lock your screen into one look, you can go to the Appearance section in your CarPlay settings and force the display to stay on either light or dark all the time, which will also permanently lock the corresponding version of your new wallpaper. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.